Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is January 16th and here we are. So, what happened this past few days since it has been CPI week on this one and the week before it was NFP on Friday. So, the market has been on a roller coaster as you can see in the bigger time frame. Sorry. It has been very bullish since the CPI came yesterday, and we got to see a very push down uh, on NFP. Sorry, on NFP on Friday we saw a very huge sell-off, and then the market start recovering from its. Wait, let me just change the layout. Well, yeah, here we are on the daily time frame. As we know that we had a support, and since we saw a bullish engulfing on a 4-hour time frame, which was this one on Monday, it has it temporarily changed the market bias from the sell to the buy side. But as we know that we need to see a structure shift in the market, which was this, in order to look for bias, as I explained you guys before. So we wanted to see this structure taken out, and then this one here, and then this could be the last hurdle for the buyers. Yeah. So let's break down in the lower time frame. In the 4 hours, we can see that the price yesterday after the CPI, the price went really high around this level of 43,500, and then since since then the price has been consolidating, and today in the morning we saw some sell-off during the London and pre-New York session. So what's going on in 1 hour? Let's check it out. In 1 hour we can see that we have a very strong support, not very strong I would say, but there's a kind of support in 1 hour which looks like it's been taken out now. It looks like it. Yep, it looks like it's been taken out here. Maybe not taken out yet, but let's see in the 30 minutes and the other time frame. In 30 minutes it looks like the structure has broken. In 15 minutes, let me see, yes, in 5 minutes as well. Yep. So what could be the possible uh, trades today that we will be looking for? We would be looking for something. Let's see, first in the bigger time frame we have some imbalance. I mean, yeah, the candle has not been closed yet. It still needs 1 hour to get closed. This candle here in the 4 hour. In the 1 hour we can see that the price, after some consolidation in the early Asia and the London session, the price has melted down from this level, which is 43,500 almost. Yeah. So it looks a bit tricky, but we'll see what we can grab from the market if we get an opportunity. So in 30 minutes you can see that there's some small fair value gap. I mean, sorry, it's the same thing, fair value gap or an imbalance. We can see that this area around here has got some fair value gap that needed to be filled. Okay, as well as this area of here, we can see that the price has broken down from here, first the price broke down from this area, and then it went back up to take the imbalance. It did some liquidity grab. You can see it cleared out the new, it made a new high, and then it slid down. All right, so what we can understand from here, we can understand that this area here has got a potential of sell. All right, this area I'll just mark with 2 pixels. So this area could be a good resistance for the short term. As we can see that the price has sold off from here very heavily. You see this one 30 minutes this hammer candle. So we have some business to be filled around this area of imbalance. Yeah, we need some we need the price to come bounce back in this level, and if it gives us some confirmation, which could be possibly look like this, it makes a new lower low and a lower high, then we can look for a sell around this area. Yeah, so I would be interested in this zone, but since we know that the price has been bullish since yesterday and since a few days, you can see the price has been continuously making a new high. Yeah, so we have the long term, we have the bias for now. The bias is bullish, vale? So even though the bias is bullish, as we can see that the price has left a huge gap here. If we get a chance, we could definitely look for some sells to target these zones here, this zone of imbalance. In most cases it gets filled on the same day, or maybe on the next day, or maybe a couple of days later, or maybe not. It depends on the market volume. So the volume you can see in the price has been kicking off like really making new highs every time. If you see in this chart, you could just see how the price has been moving. There's no deep retracement. Even if there's some retracements, it's bouncing off from the support level. You can see here. Yeah, it makes it look a bit clear when you change the graph into the line chart, so that you can get a clear vision of how the price has been behaving lately. Yeah, so you can see that the look what was happening in this case when the price was falling. You see the price was continuously trying to make lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Yeah, so now you can see the bias is has flipped, from the since the price cleared this high here, it's making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So in this case we can see that the price, after taking a huge leg up, the price needs some correction, and you can see that in 30 minutes the price has made a new low, a new lower low. It cancelled this lower high from before, and it has made a lower low. And you can see as well in here, price has been making a lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high. Let's see how it looks in 4 hours. 4 hours we don't have enough data to see. In 1 hour it looks what I told you. The price is making a lower high and lower low. Look, since it cancelled this low here, this one is considered as lower low. So even though the trend is buy for now, if we get an opportunity, we will definitely look for a sell if we get a chance. Because for sell, you see that the price has good targets here. The targets are really huge. In buys, we don't know. Maybe if we get a buy here, our primary target would be this, the last high. That's what we can target. But for the sells, we have massive risk to reward. So let's go and check in 5 minutes here. 5 minutes as well. Lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. It cancelled the previous low, the previous low. So it looks like the price has been, exhausted in this area, and then since then the price is trying to fall. So all these things, I'll just remove the ones which are not required for now. This is the one which is required. I'll just mark it with 2 pixels. Sorry. Right, so we see that the level has been taken out. Now we have a resistance level in the lower time frame, which is the first one is here, the second one is here, and the one that I'm interested is here, which if you change to the time frame to 30 minutes, you can see that this is the one that I'm interested in. This has got a huge potential as per my thinking, but it's a bit hard for the price to reach up this level, because I was expecting a pullback when the news came out a while ago for the continuous jobless claims, but it failed. The price rejected from this level. So in 15 minutes we have everything clear. The price we see here is a resistance zone. The second one is here, and the one that I'm focusing on, it's somewhere around here. All right, so it's the same thing in 5 minutes, this and this. So I'm not going to put any limit orders, because I don't want the price to come here and I just put my order and we sell. It doesn't happen like that. As you can see that there's a huge wick above, so this could possibly be some liquidity. So price might go up and it can do whatever it wants. So we need to see a confirmation in a lower time frame. For example, now we are in the 5 minutes time frame. We see if the price goes above this level. We see if the price getting rejected, something like making a new low, a new lower low and lower highs. Then we can plan our entries. Our ups would be definitely above this level, around here, and we can look for a sell. And in the other hand, if the price doesn't go that level, what we do? Yes, if the price doesn't go that level, we will need the price to come below this level to break this one. If the price managed to break this one and capitalize below this level, then we could look for a potential short, keeping in mind that we put the stop loss above this high. So for example, if the price reject from this level, it makes a new low, we will possibly look for sells around this corner. But it all depends on the timing of the market. If this happens now, I'm not gonna enter, because we still have 20 minutes for the banks for the New York to get open. So when the New York gets open, we all know that we have a huge volatility, especially in Dow Jones. So this would be my analysis and my trade plan for today on US30. Right, so we will move to ES. More or less the same thing. I'll remove the markups from before, from yesterday. CPI came out hard, the price skyrocketed, and then it's around this level. And if you see in the 4 hours, it's very good. It was a very good level to short. I did place a trade, but then in the morning, but then I closed with just 1 or 1.5 hour, because I don't generally trade on London. I don't prefer trading on London, so that was the reason. But it was a very good short. So in 4 hours time frame, you can see that the price has reached, it's still in the downtrend, but as you can see, the structure has been taken out, the initial structure here, so we can assume that the price is bullish, and it is. But the main structure lies here, this one, and this is the high. So this is the main structure which needed to be taken out. Look, but the price has not taken this out yet. So We wait, we see how the price. Wait, let me make this a bit brighter for you guys, so that, because I see in the recordings it doesn't look very bright, so it just that it's very bright for my eyes, but I'll do that effort. Right, so this is the this is the level that the price got rejected from. Since I don't trade swing, I don't want to put my trade here, put the stop loss above this high, and then wait for 2 days to get my target. So that's not going to happen. So in that case, we have to wait to see how the price is reacting on certain levels. And now you can see that the price is still in the uptrend. There's no signs of bears yet. In 4 hours, let's see the charts. The candle still needs to get closed. If the candle closed below this candle, I would be interested in looking for shorts. And here's the thing, this level is the support level for now, and this as well. In 1 hour we see that in 1 hour we see that the price has been making good bearish moves here, but still it's getting bounced back from the support level, or from the imbalance that the price has left before, you know, this level. It's currently at the imbalance level, so it could potentially pump the price up, and could potentially reach around this level of imbalance, which is in 1 hour, which is very important. This imbalance here is also very important. Right, since the one here has been almost filled up, but since the price is still in the buy mode, we have room upside, so it's not worth looking for a short as long as the price remains above this level. All right, and in 30 minutes the same thing, but the price, you can see it has been making a bit, like, it's still not new low. I would not call it a new low, because this level needs to be taken out first. Yeah, in 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes we see that the price is still here, some imbalance left. Price might go here and fill it up and bounce back down, which can be the case as well. Or price, it can reject this levels and make a new high. Anything can happen before the NY, like pre NY and during the NY open. So we will wait patiently for the price to make some clear moves. As you can see, in 5 minutes, insane imbalance is left here, which is a really good target for short if you guys are interested. But I'm not going to take any trade for now on ES. I'll just wait for the market to get open. So my take on ES is, I will wait for the short. If the price takes out this level, I would risk it. I would not be very interested, because I need the price to take out this level first in order to start shorting. But in case if the price takes out this level, close below this, I will look for the shorts, short term, like 2 hour, and that's it. So here's the S&P. Yes, sorry. 15 minutes. I'm going to just put it in 15 minutes and check what's going on. Yeah, the volume is sell for now, but we never know. This one, Dow Jones, the volume is on sell, and well, we need the price to test these levels. I'm very certain about this level. So I'm not going to put any limit orders, because price might just cancel this. I want the price to respect this first. I want the price to get rejected in the lower time frame. I want to see some rejection, and then some new lows, and then I can short. Because if I short like that, I would have a definite target, and I could hold without moving it to BE. So let's see how many minutes left. 15 minutes. I'll just quickly do a round for RT. RT is respecting the levels very well. No, not much manipulation to be seen since yesterday. If you see the 4 hour time frame, the price got rejected from this level. It still didn't clear the last high. didn't capitalize above this level. So well, it's still on the downtrend, this dude RT. 1 hour as well, the price took the imbalance in 1 hour. Very clean, very clean. RT is very clean, respects the level so beautiful. Look, it cleared this imbalance very well. Now the price has got some support from this level here, so the price is moving back up. If the price managed to capitalize above this level, I would look for longs. My potential target would be the last high from yesterday. All right, look, let me see. Yep, the price is at the 50%. Yeah, the price is at the 50% fib. It got some support. So on RT, it's very clear. My take on RT is very clear. I will wait for this level to be taken out in the lower time frame, and then I'll look for buys if I get to. In 15 minutes, very clear that the price is trying, yeah, it has broken this level of resistance, and the price is heading back to to north around this level. So yeah, we will see how the price action goes with RD, but for now I'm going to hold for a second. Hold a minute. Very well, so let me see what this guy is saying. 605, 605. 605 has imbalance. Yes, that's true. Yeah, so getting back to the to Dow Jones, we have a clean push to the upside, making it difficult for the sellers to understand, because look, price has been trying to sell, but it's making a new high in a small time frame. In 15 minutes as well, no, in 15 minutes no. So the price is heading back to the level that I am interested, around this level of 30 minutes. So if the price comes here, I'm going to look for some short. This is too bright for me, too bright. Yeah, so here we are. 8 minutes for the market to get open. We have to wait. We have to be very patient with today's trade. The first 2 weeks of the month are not very good because the first week is NFP, the second week is CPI, so it's like a roller coaster the first 2 weeks. So let's see, in 1 hour, in 4 hours as well, the price is rejecting from this low. Price is coming where I want it to come, but keeping in mind, look, we need to clean the chart a bit. These levels, I'm going to remove them because now we don't need any kind of distraction. So this is going to be the overall zone of the market for today. Here, this here is the interested area for the imbalance. If the price doesn't respect it, we will look for the buys. How? I don't know. I will see when the time comes. Because here it's a bit tricky to look for buys because we have this liquidity level here. We have the last high which was the support. The price has tested this level for four times. So the, this level is, it has become weak. I agree with that, but as you can see in the 4 hours, in the 1 hour, no, in 30 minutes, no imbalance. All right, so there's no imbalance here. So maybe we can see if the price, I don't have really high hopes for buys because I want the price to react to this level. If the price reacts to this level, I would look for a short, and if not, I will wait for, look, here's my take. I would not look for buys until this area has been taken out. The moment this area, the high, the last high of today, the last high of yesterday, the moment it gets taken out, only then I would be interested in looking for the buys. For now, I'm just chilling for my, I'm just waiting patiently for the price to come to this level and to react. Not putting any limit orders, not putting any limit orders here, nothing. The price, I want the price to come here, do some magic trick like this, and then we go short. This area here would be my primary target, and the rest could be the history today. So we'll see. Four more minutes for the market to get open. So, we can see that the price is reacting from this level. I would not say that it has already reacted, but we are waiting for the price to react, like make some engulfing or some in 5 minutes something. Limit order could also work, but I'm not going to put it because I always want to see a confirmation, especially when it's the time of New York Open. So if I put a sell limit or something, it's very much possible that the price could clap me out and then go down. So it's very important for it's very important for the price to make a confirmation. It's very important to wait to see if the price reacts to your level and wait for the market to get open. This indecision candle, it's already hinting me that okay, this level is can work, but I'm not going to take any risk. I'm going to wait because anything can happen. At the time of open, no one, not me, not anyone, no one could say what from where the market will react. Or they can say that the market will react from certain place, but what's the point if you don't know your stop loss? If you don't know where to put your stop loss, because if you put it here right now, it can clap you out because of liquidity and the high volume in the market. So we wait to see. If it doesn't react from here, we will wait for this level to be taken out to for the buys. So in ES, it looks very good, this area for sell, but I'm going to wait. If I sell here on ES, oh no, no, not risking anything on this one at this time. So ES is giving some confirmation here if the price close below for sell, because it has already reacted from this level. It looks like even Dow Jones as well. So I just might take a sell on ES after this closure of this candle. Even on Dow Jones, if it gives a engulfing candle, I might just take a trade on this one, Dow Jones. ES is already melting, I suppose. I would have liked to see market order. I mean, a retest. We'll wait for the candle to close because it's very important for the candle to close. Only then we see that if it has respected the level, because this is a very high volatility time. We need to be very careful and patient. Dow Jones, it doesn't look that it's respecting this because The candle initially reacted to this level, but I think the market volume is still very much to the buy side. We will wait. One minute 50 seconds left. I think on yes, I would take a risk. I might, but I need to see. I need to see what's going on in the lower time frame. So yeah, I think I will go for a sell on ES, maybe targeting this low, but still I'm waiting for the candle to close so that I could enter in the retracement, keeping my stops above this level, which is going to be 50 ticks. A bit conflictive on this one. Phew, I think I will go on with the micro lots, not the mini. Very small risk on this one because I just want to test. I wanted to go with mini, but seeing the price action in Dow Jones, I think it's not good to use mini lots. So I think I was right. Let's see how much I'm risking because this it's a very low risk trade, not even $200. So I think it's okay. So as I told you that here on Dow Jones, it looks like it's a very kind of liquid level. So we see, I'm just gonna put a stop loss on this one just in case the price goes up. Alright, so let's focus on Dow Jones. This I'll just leave it behind. It doesn't matter. If the price breaks this level, then I will go for my mini lot size. For now, this is okay. Just put the stops above this. So coming back to Dow Jones, and let's see what's going on in 15 minutes. Where's the volume? Let me see. Okay, the price is reacting to that zone that I have marked before, as you can see. Maybe I could just today, I feel like doing some gambling. Maybe I could just place a limit trade on this one, or no, I think not needed. You have to go all with the rules, not breaking any rules. You'll see, not going to go anti-trend. So you can see the price is reacting to the level that I mentioned here, but it's also very important to wait to see if this area is valid. That we will know maybe looking in the lower time frame. Maybe the price needs to take this low out first, but I'm not gonna use 1 minute for anything. I'm just gonna wait for a bigger time frame like 5 minutes. So let's see if the price makes an engulfing candle here. Maybe, I'm not sure, but maybe I will just go for a sell. Otherwise, we are still on the buy mode. This level is respected very well, but I need to see confirmation, need to see how the level reacts and everything, because we cannot just buy the support and sell the resistance. No, because that's very basic. That is a basic concept of trading, but at the same time you have to refine with many other confluences so that you can get the high probability trade. Because the market, you can see it's just making high after high. See it, it's making high after high, so we better wait. I might just as well close this trade because I don't know, maybe it'll just I'll just close this one, I think, so that I could focus on Dow Jones. So I closed the trade on SPX. I just want to focus on Dow Jones because this one could, sorry, because if this reacts to this level, I want to see an engulfing cancelling this high here. Could potentially go for a sell. What's going on with RT? Just let me see. Okay, the RT has also reached its level that I've marked, but we'll wait. Coming back to DJ. To be honest, yesterday I was expecting more volatility in terms of the in the New York session, because the CPI came pre-session and the New York was like, it was choppy. This was the New York session here from 3:30. Look, the price didn't do much movement, so I was a bit disappointed from yesterday's price action. I did take a few couple of trades, which were, I think I hit one stop loss on Dow Jones and one stop loss on ES, but then I recovered both of them. I did take a trade around here, sell, but it was a fake out, and then I took another sell here and recovered my loss, made 1 hour on this one, and same with ES. So not very happy with the price action yesterday, but for now we wait, we see what happens. ES is still holding up this level. Is still holding up this level, but I will not be selling yet. I'm more focused on Dow Jones to see if we can get something from here in 3 minutes as well. It looks very good for a sell. Let me see the risk to reward. If I place a trade here, alright, we wait and see. The candle managed to close below this level. I would look for a sell here, somewhere around here. Yeah, ES has also played, it looks like, but we will be waiting since we also have a kind of imbalance here. Very tricky today, not any clear direction. This would be a risk trade, but I think I should go for this one because it has a, if this one plays, I have a good risk to reward. I have still not pressed the sell button. I will risk like 380 or 400 maybe on this one. So okay, I'm placing the trade on Dow Jones. Here we go. On ES, let's see. ES played from that level very well. Very well played ES, but still it has some promise to fulfill. I need the price to break below this level so that I could possibly look for another sell, because this was a okay trade. This trade was okay, but at the same time I just wanted more I wanted to be more focused on Dow Jones. So let's see. Wow, ES is playing really good. RT as well. If we don't get any retracement to the level here, it's very sad because this trade has a lot of potential if it plays. So we cannot do anything because if I enter here, then my risk would be double, you know, double, more than 120 ticks, which is, I don't do that. So I'll just try to keep calm. Let's see if the price comes here. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's how we do it. We cannot, fight the market. If it gives us entry, well enough. If it doesn't, it's okay. Although the trade was very valid, that the one that I planned on 30 minutes, it was very valid. I planned the 30 minutes level, also this level here, which from which the price reacted very well. But I think I have to say goodbye to this one. It doesn't look like it's gonna come back. Sorry, I'm not moving my position. It's gonna be where it is. ES trade missed, Dow Jones trade missed as well. What a day. What a shitty day. 15 minutes. Let's see if we get a retracement on Dow Jones, since the candle is about to get close. Yes, I think I already missed. I mean, I did take a trade, but I didn't go my mini lots. I just went with the small ones, and I closed it because I wanted to be focused on Dow Jones. But it's okay. Can be possible in 3 minutes if I move my entry here, but that would be, well, for now I'll just leave where it is. We'll wait to see, because if I don't, if I miss the trade that I think I did on this one, I might get a trade below this level, which is also good, not bad, because the potential of this sell is very good. Yeah, so if the price comes back up from this level, I would be on the trade. But if in this case, if the price cancels this level and comes back from here, I would not be interested in this one anymore. So I think that we missed on this one. Maybe we'll see if we get a chance below this level. So the trade markups were pretty much good. The price reacted from the levels that we planned, but it's a shame that I didn't take the trade, but that's okay because I was expecting for a confirmation. We got the confirmation, but I was expecting a retracement around this level, or at least the 50% of the fair value gap, but it didn't, so it's okay. This is the last hurdle. If this one breaks, we will be very interested on looking sells underneath these levels, because if the price breaks here, we can put our limit orders here. Well, let me see in 5 minutes what's going on here in this one. Well, if the price comes up, I would like the price to come this level. Putting my I have moved my entry since I missed it. I have moved it in the 50% of FVG. In total, I will risk 500 on this one, which is how much, which is what I risk in the trades that I plan prior to the market. But let's see. We haven't seen the sell volume yet. The market came in this level and it did react, but the volume is still missing. Let me see in 1 minute. 1 minute as well. Yeah, the volume is missing. So yeah, in no, the volume is there because I can see it in the 15 minutes. So let's see if the price comes back up to this level. The price action in RT was pretty much better than Dow Jones because it retraced from its level, fill up the imbalance, and then headed down. Pretty good on RT. Even on ES it was very good, but we will see. We will see. So I think this trade is now invalid if the price closed below this imbalance, which is a clear sign that the price has rejected this buy orders here. So I don't think there could be anything else that could push the price back up to my level of interest, the point of interest. So I'll just remove this trade from here and I will wait for the market to break this level. The moment it breaks this level, we will look for the possible shorts. Wow, ES and Nasdaq is melting. RT is melting as well. Maybe I could put a trade on RT here at this level. Yeah, I think I will go with this trade on RT. And why it did not execute? Excuse me. Yeah, no. So let's see this one. But I think I would I would just be focused on my Dow Jones, which is what I like to trade most of the times. This year it's okay. If it plays, it plays. Otherwise, I will have one trade planned on Dow Jones. I don't want to look at this one. So the moment Dow break this level, we will look for a possible imbalance which could be potentially on this side, and then we can do the markups. Let the market do its thing. Maybe the market maybe the market would go back up here, we don't know, but it's very unlikely in this case when any candle close below the imbalance, which is I think it's going to be the case. It's not very likely for the price to go back up to fill the previous imbalance. So we will wait to see. I I think I will close this one. I'll just wait for it to see if it closes below this level, then I will put my trade here somewhere here. It just got me, the FOMO got me, so I just don't wanna, do anything wrong. So I'll just wait for this level to be taken out, which is going to be the case here. And look, now that the price has closed below, I will wait for the price to come at this level to take my trade if I'm lucky. Put a bit lower, risking 260 on this one, half of what I do. So because I want to take a quality setup on Dow Jones, I'm still waiting, you know. And what happened? Where is my order? Where is my order? Where is my order on Russell? What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? It's removed my order. This fucking people. It removed my order. You saw that? What? Why was that? I placed the order. Oh my god. Let me see. The crap. I placed the order here and it didn't take it. Such a shame. Such a shame. Sometimes these prop accounts, it just get on my nerves because of behaviors like this. This is the reason I moved from CFDs, from forex to futures, because of this stupidity that they do on their props, on their platforms. It was just my level of I put the support. Are kidding me? Like seriously, I put the tray on there. Sometimes it makes me doubt even futures props, especially like the one Apex. It did take on my top step. I have the entry on my top step. It was in the same place. Well, I'm gonna be more than what you think. So okay. Now I'll just wait to see what happens. It's a kind of displacement of the orders, I placed my order here and then I had to execute below because they removed my order for I don't know what reason. And now look, this thing is shooting up. Kidding me, seriously. Well, so I might as well enter on Dow Jones, which was my primary setup around here. If the price comes, I would like to see what's going on in ES so that I could get some ideas. hmm Clean 2.6 R on ES, the trade that I took, the trade that I closed. Sorry, I took and I closed it. I took the trade here. Where is it? Took the trade here, closed here. It was a good call though. So now I will wait for the extreme level. I'm not gonna risk too much on Dow Jones. I think the trade on RT is gonna hit the stop loss probably. All because of this stupid broker. I placed my trade here and they removed my order. And then I have to place the trade here on the more towards the downside. Potentially increased my stop loss. Son of a bitch. I'll just get out of this one. I just don't trust this pair anymore right now. I'll just wait. So I had 1 BE on ES and more or less 1 BE, not 1 BE. Like I closed with a 0.02, 0.2 R in minus, but it doesn't matter if you see your trade is going in a different direction. It's very smart to take a cut off that loss unless instead of uselessly holding it. Very conflictive. I'm going to just reorganize myself for a while. So here this RT, here is this RT where this dude here. Sometimes it gets really volatile, really volatile. I will risk a Dow trade on this one, even though I don't want to take it. I wanted to take it before price. I wanted to take it if the price came back from this level of imbalance, like from since price fell from here. I wanted to take the trade for retest, you know. But this doesn't look like a retest to me. It looks like this goblin candle how do you call it, engulfing candle. This crazy dude is very dangerous. Because of this, I closed the trade on RT. Something similar happened in ES this morning when I was trying to short. I shorted here on this candle here wick. I closed on this stupid engulfing. Sometimes these engulfing candles are very illogical. This area is still unfilled. The business here is still unfilled. Too slow. These are the days that I don't like trading. The market is choppy, it's still in the same place and not giving us any clear direction, not to the upside, not to the downside. It reacted from the level where I planned, but I don't do sell limit until we see any confirmation. So it's very important you how this plays with your mind, and you just try to be calm. And this is also a struggle that you have to make while you trade, because it's not just pressing the buy and sell button, otherwise everyone would have done it. It's the mindset that requires a lot of work. Work on yourself, work on your mind, try to be patient. These are the things harder to learn. Because look, I could have easily made my decision according to my analysis, which was here. One area, another area was here. Both area played very well. You see, but at the same time, it would be a matter of luck, you know, because the area that you assign, it's what you think. It's not. I mean, it's what your prediction. It's what the like that's the probability that you figure out from the market, right? But you're not alone trading in the market. There are tons of participants, the hedge funds, the pension funds, the banks, institutions, trillions of dollars injecting every single minute, billions of dollars. So it's very important that you mark up your level and you see that the okay price has come to my level. So now what we do? We need one extra confluence, which is a confirmation. A confirmation is always needed, and it's a very simple concept. That's what I always say. It's a market structure. When the price is forming higher high, higher lows, suppose this is your level, the price reached your level, you cannot just put your limit and expect the price to go down. It might, but that would be the thing that I just told you. It would be a matter of luck, you know. So in order to get sure, like finding more probability on this setup, you would like to see a rejection like how it did. All right, this is the rejection. This is what I call rejection. Then I want the price to make a new low, which it did in this case. Then I want the price to come back up, fill the imbalance zone, and then go down. So this is the model that I have been trading since years. This is the model. This is where you get the confirmation. This is where you have to enter. Because if you put your sell limit here in your area, in your point of interest, anything can happen, you know. It would respect, but it would first do some liquidity grab, like, you know, kick everyone out. So how to save your ass from this? Sorry, how to save your trade from this? You have to be mindful about the confirmation scene that I just told you. Sometimes it doesn't retrace as much as we expect, like this imbalance, it's not filled, but it was very it's very likely to be filled. But you know, market does its thing, we do our thing. That's how we continue to work. You cannot expect you yourself to be right all the time, and you know that okay, this is my level and the market has to come. If it doesn't come, I will fight the market. No, if it doesn't come, it doesn't come, and period. There's nothing after that. 'Cause market is king, we are nothing. So respect the market and be patient. If we miss this entry, that's all right. I know it was a very good trade, because if this continues to play, we can scale this trade to like 6R. But it is what it is. So we have to wait to see what's next. So we wait. Look, as I said, I placed the trade here on RT. First, it removed my order. I don't know why, and then I saw that the price made an engulfing here. So that was these little things you have to take into account. I closed that trade because of this candle here. I closed that because these engulfing candles are dangerous. It could just wipe your stops in seconds. That's what happened. I entered here and I placed my stop. I wanted to enter here, but they made me enter here. I wanted to enter here at this level, but I had to enter here. I had to maximize my loss, which was like here, and it would have hit my stops. So there's no point on holding something which is going out of your hands. ES was well played. Hats off to this dude, but I'm much more interested on trading Dow Jones when it comes to my final order, because this is the time of my final order and I see it passing. I'm not able to figure out. Should I wait or should I just leave today? Now we can see slowly that Dow Jones is, I think it's coming to this level support because it got rejected from here a couple of times. The candle closed below this, not below, but below this level of imbalance here. So let's see if the price managed to test this level. It might as well do some retracement, but if it tests this level, I could I could say that I would start planning for a sell below this level, somewhere around here. Bigger stops, not bigger stops like 50 $60 stops. Dude, this XRP is going insane. Insane, bro. I bought somewhere around this level. No, below, like I bought it 50 cents something. Yeah, lower. I love 50, 55. I think I bought it here. Insane, bro. 6x and more. We are very close to get a sell on Dow Jones. Very close. So I think maybe I am a bit tired of waiting, so I would just go for this trade if the price comes back up, which I think it would. I would be risking like what I risk on my trades. So sorry. So we wait. I wait for the price to come here. The moment it comes up, it will get triggered. Now I don't think this trade is very much probable, but let me see again. It's a bit annoying, waiting for so long. It's just not my thing. So yeah, I will take this one. I will take this one. I'm assuming that the price is preparing for some big movement because it's been like 30 minutes or more. Price is stuck in the same range, so I'm gonna remove this order. I remove the order. I'm going to wait for some clear direction. It's very tricky now. I don't know, maybe I'll just put it back. It's just, sorry, I'm just really very much tired on this trade. I don't care now at this point. If I have to take one stop loss, I'll just take one stop loss. But this trade can play, it has got a potential. Just one thing is killing me is that the price is at the support level and from here it's rejecting. But if you see in the chart like this, in the clean chart, it looks like it's gonna go up. But whatever it is, I'll just take my chances. It's in the 4 hours. In 4 hours, it looks good. It also tells me to put my trade here, but let's see. In 4 hours, it looks good. So yeah, I will take a $500 risk, the standard size that I do. But the problem is that I take, look, as I told you guys that before, I only use a fixed stop on Dow Jones, which is 50 ticks, but I use two lots, two contracts, so that makes a risk of total 500. Yeah, but in this case it's double. I cannot cover my stops above this high, so I have to decrease my I have to minimize my position size, which is from 2 to 1 contract, and increase my stops to 100 ticks. So this is what it is. We miss on this one, I'll have to wait for the one at the bottom. Let's see if we get a trade around here. The stops, the candles. Look, there's not volatility in the market, not much, but every move has got some volume, some good volume. Look, the 5 minutes candles are really huge. That's how I compare. Look at this time. Look at this time. The volume was very less. The time here, the volume was very less. During the news, the volume went high. Not the news. The news was here. No, nothing really happened in the news. I think today. I didn't even look at it. Yeah, here. Look, the news volume was not that big, but now you see the candles. The volume is more, but the volatility is very less. This is a tricky market. any breach below this level, I don't know if I will do market execution, but I would like to wait. But any breach, any closure below this level, I'll just enter, no matter if it's $100 stops or a $50. I would adjust my position size accordingly. Everything, even ES, you see the price is ranging, very choppy. The other day on ES, it was so fun trading. I think I came live, but my main trading session started after I left the live, and I think I shared yeah, I think I shared the trades in the Discord server. This is where it started at 5. I sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here. Crazy, phenomenal day on ES. I like this kind of market, be like when the markets are like this, there are participants in the market. That's when you get opportunities. But the market like this, dude, like this, it's such a pain. And yeah, I have to make an announcement on my Discord, on our Discord server. It's going to be very exciting, and I am very excited to make this announcement. I think I'm going to do it tonight. I just have to make some paperwork, and I will be done. And I will let you know, guys. It's going to be. I'm going to give it a bit spoiler. It's going to be an opportunity and something related to artificial intelligence. All right, and don't worry, it's going to be free for every person. Like, my Discord is free, like everything is free, the knowledge is free. You ask me questions, if you ask me one-on-one, depending on my availability, I could also give you a one-on-one, maybe on Saturdays or Sundays, depending. So everything is free, and I want to keep it like that as long as I can. But the moment I have to, if I have to hire someone to manage the channel, the members who are right now in the group, the founder members, I'm not. I mean, in short, everything is going to be free for life, everything. But the members who are the members right now, the founder members of this channel, I really appreciate that you guys are there on my channel, and feel free to ask questions and anything, anything, any kind of help. Just let me know. Mention me in the group. I don't mind. And talk to me in private if you want. If you are not able to understand something, just knock me anytime. I will be free. I will make myself free. And that's it. So tonight I have some paperwork pending, and as soon as I'm done with it, I'm going to make an announcement, and I want to know the views from all of you. So as far as now, I can see that the price is still stuck in this range, but I'm willing to take a risk. I'm willing to take a risk because in the bigger time frame, I see the potential of this trade. Very boring. Very, 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 very boring. This range is killing me. With these things going on, so much drama in the market, I feel like not coming live at the New York Open. I feel like coming live after 2 hours of New York Open, maybe in the PM session. But mostly, what mostly, like most of the times I trade only on New York Open. But having to see the market behavior like this, Let's see if the price takes this order. But with this breakout, I know I'm risking on this trade. I don't really want to, but I know that I'm risking on this trade. But I wanted to sell this asset on at this level, which I didn't. So I want to take this one. No, 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 no. This cannot happen. Nope, this cannot happen. It should come. If it doesn't respect this level of imbalance, then I think I will be done for today, because I don't really want to find a trade on a buy, because I need this level to be taken out, which is the most important level for today, and this here is the most important level for today. So the price is in the middle, you can see. I don't like trading in this environment because the price is bouncing back and forth, and since the price is in the middle, but I have to take this trade. If it's stop loss, so be it, it's okay. I was interested on a retest when the price was here, like in this area. I wanted price, look, as I explained before, that I want the price to come in this level, which it came. It reacted from my given level, and then I wanted it to make a lower low, which it did, and I wanted the price to react in this open space here, so that I could sell off in this area. But instead of that, the price didn't react. You see, price started consolidating, and now it's reacting. So this is not my model, but I will take this one. I know I'm risking this, but I have no choice, because I mean, I have a choice, but I want to take this. As simple as that. The VWAP is stopping the price to go further up, but that's okay. I cannot keep increasing my risk one after another. Let me see if I can. All right. So let's see. So it got triggered. Now it's just the waiting game. I know it's a very late execution, plus I executed in a very low level. I wanted the price, I wanted to execute somewhere around here, but it's okay. I will wait. Let's see what's going on with ES. ES is also respecting its downtrend movement, but these breakouts are a bit dangerous. Well, let's see. Let's see. In the bigger time frame, the price still need to test the imbalance which is left in the 4 hours. It is here. I think it's almost done. So I think that's it, and I will update on the Discord channel about the outcome of this trade, whatever it is. And I think that's it for today. I will not look for any other entries because the market is a bit messy now. If ES takes out this high from the lower high, then potentially I will have, I don't know, maybe if ES takes out this high, then I just don't want to close my DJ trade. So whatever it is, if EA takes out this high, then I will see, because Dow Jones is still okay. It's still okay. It's still under this level of imbalance. I might as well add some more position if I see any rejection in 1 minute. 3 minutes. Oil was bullish since a few days. Let me see what's going on with it. Oh my god. Whoa. Crazy sell off. Crazy sell off. Crazy, 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 crazy. It's been a while that I traded crude. Let me see. Imaginary, right? It looks very imaginary. But it works like that. This is the power of engulfing candles. You see, it makes a zone breaks out with engulfing, goes back to retest, put your stops above this, and there you go. Guys, sorry about this dog barking. If you are able to hear it, sorry about it. It's bothering me since a couple of weeks now. We have to complain to the police because the owner, I don't know where the hell he is. Someone comes to take care of the dog and then they disappear and the dog keeps barking. So we'll see. How about my Dow Jones? Lovely Dow Jones. Is it reacting from the level? Yes, sir. It is. It is reacting from the level, but let me see how far it can go. Any volume? Nope. I will wait for this candle. In these 5 minutes, I'll wait. If I don't see anything, like anything, then I might as well just close the trade. In no case, the price should close above this. The moment the price close above this, I am done with this trade. I am going to minimize my loss anyway because I don't see it. Yep, I think I'll just keep my loss half because the moment if it makes a wick, it's fine, but if it closes above this level, sorry, but I'm out. I don't want to give the money uselessly because this one account copies 10 other account. So if I have a loss on this one, I have to have a loss on 10 like 10 other accounts. So I want to see price close below this candle here. That would give me some certainty of the rejection. And then I can leave my loss to 50% like here what I did, and I could just wait for my target. All right, so this trade is okay as far as I can see right now. The trade is, it looks okay to me, but we don't know, we cannot predict the future. But uh, we will need a closure above this level, sorry, below this level as well, in order to be double sure on this trade. And then if the price comes, if the price shows some good huge volume and on the sell side, the moment it closes below this candle and if it has a lot of volume, I might as well add some positions on this one so that I could, you know, scale. But as far as I can see, there's not much, there's not, I cannot see the volume, like, you know, it did the rejection indeed, but the volume is still missing. Sorry, the volume is still missing. I want to see something like, you know, a good red candle like this. So that's all, guys. I think I should just uh, close the live session. I will update you on this trade on my Discord channel. If you're watching and if you're not a member, you have the link in my profile in YouTube. There you can get the details for my Discord. Hold on for a second. Sorry. So yeah, I was saying that I have the link on of my of our Discord in my YouTube channel. So if you guys find the content of any interest, you could join our trading community, and we see not see, not you, sorry. Yeah, so anyways, guys, I'm going to update on this trade on my Discord channel. I think I should just close the live session. It's been a long time that I've been on live and I need a break. So see you guys tomorrow. It's Friday, yeah, so tomorrow is going to be the last trading session of the week. And if you have any questions on the trade that I took on RT, the one that I closed, the trade I took on ES that I closed as well on break even, and the trade that I took on Dow Jones right now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me on Discord, and have a good evening and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.